What's good, YouTube? So we're back with another little POV video here. I thought I'd make a little video on how to take off on a hill and how to do hill starts. A lot of people have been asking about that in questions on a previous video. I did a video in the past of how to drive a manual car, where I shared some tips about that. So I thought I'd share some similar tips on how to take off on a hill. It is I guess a tricky topic, or something a little tricky to do, especially if you're in traffic or you're in the heat of it and you don't want to roll back into traffic and cause an accident. So totally understand why it might be I guess a place of concern for most inexperienced manual drivers. So I thought that this video would help. Maybe I share my tips on how to do it. And there was somebody in the other video who commented about my rev match and said that don't do what I do. But I don't know, like, you really don't have to do what I do. This is YouTube. There's tons of videos out about everything. But, take everything you see online with a grain of salt. Ingest it. Do your own research on it. And then, you move along that way. But I would say, speaking on my experience, I've been driving manual cars for 10 years. I've only driven manual cars, my car personally. Every car I've owned has been manual, so I don't know. Me personally, nothing's ever happened to any of my cars with any clutch problems or any transmission problems on my manual car. So I don't know. I'd like to say that whatever I say is pretty solid, but that's just my opinion. So you guys have your own opinions as well. Everybody will have their own opinions, and I highly wish that you guys would share your opinions below in the comments, so other people can learn, including me, if I'm doing something wrong. So please feel free to share your comments, whether you agree with me or disagree. It's a good learning space for everyone. That being said, one thing that I would highly recommend that you get used to taking off on a hill, especially for the inexperienced drivers, would be using your e-brake here to take off. When I first started learning, that's definitely what I did. I saw it online, someone told me about that, and it saved me a lot. I never got into any situations, but one time I did get a situation where I did get into a situation where I was rolling back more than I'd like to, or more than I wanted to, and I don't know, if I wasn't doing the little e-brake method, I definitely would have been screwed there, because I rolled back and I was pretty close to the car behind me, and I was like kind of stuck, and they didn't know like what other option I would have had gotten out of if it wasn't for the e-brake method. So definitely do that. We'll go into it just in a bit here once we get to the spot here. So give me about a second and we'll get there. Oh, one more thing I thought I'd just explain. When you're doing the e-brake, it's you're clicking into holding it, so it's like you're holding and driving. The clutch is in first, you're engaged and you're holding the button, just as an FYI. So when I get into the middle of it, if I might have not been clear on that, yeah, we're going to be holding the e-brake up while clicking that button in. So just as an FYI. Let's see. So I imagine it might be a little bit busy here, so we're about to approach this spot here where we're going to be, I guess, trying to take off on the hill, so you guys can see what I do with that manual e-brake here. Like I said, this is probably going to be your best friend when you're taking off, so just be mindful of that. I feel like I've been driving forever. Did I pass this turn already? I haven't been here in a minute, but it feels like I've been driving forever. There's the new condos right there. Just turn in here and do a quick U-E. You guys can sort of see that decline. That's what we're working with right here. Let this guy go by, turn around. So I see a car coming behind. I'm gonna let him go as well so I can back up. So if you guys notice, when I'm gonna take off here, I'm gonna pretty much hold up the e-brake. The car's gonna be in first. I'm gonna hold the e-brake, take off. As you guys hear, the car doesn't let me go, but it did just jerk because it wants to go because I'm holding up the e-brake here. So pretty much what you want to do on a hill, imagine this was a hill right here. What I'm gonna do is, it's green, the light's green, or it's, you know, I'm at a stop sign, it's my turn to go. So I'm gonna put the car in first, hold up the handbrake here, like say it's down, I'll put it in first, pull up the handbrake holding, let go of the brake, my foot is on the clutch down there, and I'm ready to push the gas. Give it the gas like it's ready to go, and then it's gonna start moving once you push it, once you pull the handbrake down. So let's do that again. I'm at the light, I'm at the stop sign, I'm on the hill, it's my turn to go, it's green light. I put the car in first, pull up the e-brake, give it gas like I'm taking off in first. It jerks, but it obviously doesn't go because it's not ready to go yet. But when I am ready to go, it's gonna jerk still, and I'm just gonna put the car down and it's gonna roll. So that's what you want to do. That's what you're targeting. So now we're about to go try that real time up here. I got a car behind me coming up, car up there. So you can see me doing it real time. Although I don't need to do the e-brake, this is the method. This is what you guys should be doing. And thankfully it moves, so I can show you guys me rolling back real quick. Holding the brake, right? Car in first, e-brake up. I'm ready to turn left. It's not my turn yet, so I'm gonna give it a second when it's my turn. All right, I'm ready to take off. I didn't move back. Ready to go. Take off just like that. No extra strain on your car. No extra anything was done. You just took off safe. You took off healthy. It was smooth. So we're gonna do it again. I was able to just turn around because I didn't see no cars coming yet. Try it one more time here so you guys can see another demonstration on the hill. So I'm on the hill, stop at the stop like it's regular. I push the brakes in, see it's rolling back. If I let go, it's rolling back. So I'm gonna let this guy go. He's turning here on this street. Car's in first, e-brake up, not rolling back. Taking off like normal. So that's pretty much how you take off on a hill. Until you get experience, once you get experienced and you know how to take off in a car on a hill, you know what's happening, you won't even need that e-brake. You'll go ahead, put it in first and just take off, you know, as normal. But if you want to learn how to take off on a hill, you know, until you get a hang of it real smooth, that's what you should be doing. I suggest you do that. I'm actually going to turn around to show you guys that, you know, it's possible to take off on a hill without it. You don't need the e-brake. So let me go ahead and show you guys that real quick. No matter the steepness of the hill, whatever, you know, once you practice enough seat time in your car, you'll learn. And when I first got the STI, trust me, I had to, you know, kind of relearn hill starts with the STI transmission over my WRX. So let's do it one more time here. All right. It's my turn. Waiting for these cars to go to give me my clear right away. He's turning right, so let him go. See a FedEx truck coming. All right, my turn. I put it in first. I'm still holding the brake. The car didn't move, but I gave it a little gas to make sure it doesn't move now as I'm letting go the clutch, and I just took off. No e-brake needed. So like I said, it's just a matter of practice. When you realize when you're doing that e-brake how soft you tap the gas and how nice you take off, you can do the same thing without the e-brake. You just got to be more faster about it. You got to be a little quicker with it. So, and you're not gonna just learn right away or be quick right away, because you're gonna, you know, mess up your clutch or, you know, do something bad to it by potentially dumping it. So definitely don't dump it. Take your time. When you're in first, your clutch can take a little bit more wear in first than any other gear. So That's what I was always told, and you know, through my 10 years of driving, I haven't seen anything bad happen to my first gear. Never had any slipping issues or nothing like that. So definitely take your time, move slow, don't rush it, and use the e-brake. You saw that I was able to do it with the e-brake. I did it a couple times, but you're also able to do it without. So definitely take some time to practice. It's not going to happen overnight, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you guys have any tips or suggestions, anyone else who's watching this video, if you have anything, you know, for everyone else, leave it down below too. If it's a good tip, I'll pin the comment so everyone else can see it. And yeah, that'll be all. So I'll catch you on the next video. If y'all like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, actually, I did want to say, if there's anyone in the Massachusetts area that'd be willing to, you know, just chill, you know, like mob around in our cars, you know, maybe do like a little, you know, retro little car meet, I'm definitely down to link up. I got a few guys who said they're willing to meet up and, you know, get something going at least once a month or something like that. One person's all the way in Lawrence, another person's all the way in the Cape, and, you know, one person's here on South Shore with me. So they've definitely already said that, you know, they're down. So if anyone else, you know, some Subarus, some WRXs, whatever, some STIs, we could get a group going and start mobbing together. Definitely down for that. Just let me know what you guys think. If you guys are down, just shoot me a message on my Instagram. My Instagram should be below in the description. Just feel free to shoot me a message, and I'll try to get us all in a group, try to get it started. I was thinking that'd be pretty cool to do like once a month or so. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. If y'all like this video, I appreciate it. If y'all would like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.